everyone and welcome to PC Tips Pro. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable or disable Windows Defender. Now, Windows Defender is a built-in antivirus and anti-malware software that is developed by Microsoft for its Windows operating system. As a fundamental component of Windows, it offers real-time protection against a wide range of threats, including viruses, spyware, ransomware, and other malicious softwares. So if you are looking to disable or turn it back on, make sure to watch this whole video. So firstly, you need to open your settings. So just open your settings app. Just enter in your search bar and open it. And now once you are in your settings, you need to go to privacy and security option. And now under your security option, you will see Windows security. So just choose that. And after that, under your protection areas, you'll see a variety of options. So you need to select the first one that says virus and threat protection. So once you are here, you will see that it is by default turned on by your Windows. Now you can do a quick scan to check for any viruses, but if you are looking to disable it, just go to your manage settings, and now under this you will see 4 different options that would require to enable or disable them. Now you will see something that says real-time protection. Now if you are looking to disable this antivirus temporarily, just in case if it's preventing any of your app to run on the desktop, you can just click it off. Now you can see for me it's turned off. Now you can turn it back on if you are no longer using your app. So if you want to turn it back on or off, you will just have to click on that, and after that it will ask you for your permission. You can grant it if you want to or not if you don't want to. Now if you are looking to turn this off permanently, you will need to disable all of these options. So just disable all of these options and your antivirus would be turned off permanently. Now if you decide to use a third-party antivirus, make sure that it's reputable and capable of coexisting peacefully with your Windows Defender. So this is it for the video, guys. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any queries regarding this video, please make sure to put them in the comment box. And also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro to be regularly updated with these helpful tech content. Thank you for watching, guys.